my good traders, how are you all doing? Now today I want to share a conversation I had with two people. They are all from different countries with you. Now the conversation is about this video I did over here. This video here. Trade with Forex prop firms easily. That is the video. I don't know how many of you have watched this video. Now the conversation is all about this video. So if you haven't watched, maybe I would suggest that you watch this video. Maybe it can be of help to you, just as it has been of help to two people that I'm going to share their conversation. All right. Now let's go straight to the conversation and then I'll show you something. Now this is the very first conversation I want to share with you, and it's coming from a guy from Uganda. His name is Bernard. So Bernard contacted me on WhatsApp. And what was Bernard's request, or what was he saying? So let's read through this. Now, this conversation is a bit long, but if you can wait and watch and listen, I'm sure it will be of a great benefit to you. Now, Bernard contacted me and said, "Hi, Kofi Dollar." Then I said, "Hi." I replied. So the conversation, this side will be for Bernard, and this side here will be for me. You get it? Right. So Bernard said, "Hi, Kofi Dollar." This is Bernard saying. And then I replied, "Hi." Then he said, "Yes, this is Bernard from Uganda, the man who video called you today." So he did a video call. He wanted to be sure it is me. So actually, I first sent a message before I called. Then I said, "Oh, okay." Then he said, "Yeah, I appreciate what you are doing. I'm just learning Forex 3 weeks now, and your video are of great help to me. Just 3 weeks. Wow. Okay, let's continue." And then he says, then I said, "Oh, nice." That was my reply. I said, "Oh, nice." Then he continued the following day, which was 4th May. He said, "Hello, Mr. Kofi. I'm your YouTube student, Bernard from Kampala." That is still Uganda. "I have a challenge. I tried opening demo account since yesterday. After all the process, my screen only displays waiting update." And then he sent me the screenshots below. Now, I said like this. Then he said like this. Then he said, "What could be the matter?" Then I replied him. And I said what? "Okay, it's either your internet is not responding to the server, or your process of creating the demo account is not right. So I always advise that you use your phone MT4 to create the demo account, and then you use the login details on your phone to log in to your PC." So this is my instructions to him. Then he said, "Oh, okay, thank you, bro. Let me try that method of phone." Then later he sent me a message and said, "Yes, I have made it. Thanks." So this is it. And then he said he has made it. He was able to successfully do it, right? So he sent me a screenshot of what he has successfully achieved. Then he said, "I'm here making review on signal you gave on Sunday. You are really God of Forex. You got it right." Then he said, "I will follow you until I make big money. That will facilitate me to come to Ghana and say thank you live." Wow, this is heartwarming. This message here, I really love to see you one day in Ghana just to come and say thank you, or just say, "Hey Kofi, come over, come, let's say thank you." All right, so that's all good. So let's see. Then I said, "I'm grateful." Okay, that was my reply to him. Fine, let's quickly fast forward. And then on 5th May 2023, he messaged me again. "Good morning, my boss. I have joined your Telegram for signals. Can I try it on live account?" Then I said, "Sure." Now, those of you who are not on the live Telegram chat or Telegram group, you can join. Okay, the Telegram group for signals is free. You can join. So that was what he was asking me about. Then I said, "Sure." Then he said, "Thanks." Then on 12th May, he came back again and said, "Kofi, good morning." Or "Good morning, Mr. Kofi." Then I said, "Good day." Then I said, "Good afternoon, Mr. Kofi." The next day, so it was just one message. The next day, I said, "Good day." Then he said, tell me about the prop firm. Good. This is where the whole issue comes. And that is where the interest is. So this is where the conversation will really get better. Can we continue? He says, tell me about the prop firm I watched your video, if I'll put it. He said, tell me about the prop firm. I watched your videos about it and I got interested. As per now, I've been following your signals with plans of raising money to join the VIP. Yes, I also have the VIP group. That one costs $100 for a year. That is the signal group for VIP. So it is also there. All right. And then I said, okay. And then after that, I sent him a voice note. I want us to listen to the voice note. The prop firms, all you need to do is to register with them. They will give you 2 evaluations. And then the evaluation comes with a target. It's more or less like a challenge. So when you pass the challenge, they'll give you the second one. When you pass it, then they can now give you a live account. So the packages are there. They have the 5,000 package, the 10,000, and the rest in that order. So each will depend on what you want to take. So if you want the 5,000 package, I think the subscription fee for that 5,000 package is around $49. And so you just have to look through whichever suits you, then you will register and then select it. Then you can get the MT4 login details from them to start trading. They'll give you your details, everything you need to have. They'll give you everything, and then you can start the trading. So when you trade and you make the targets that they have given you, they'll give you the next one. When you pass that target too, then they now give you a live account. So when you are given a live account, when you trade any profit that you make, they will give you 80% of the profit, and the company will take 20% of the profit. So far as you continue to make profit, you can have that account forever and ever. But there is a limit as to how much you can lose on the live account. So when you lose more than what you are supposed to lose on the live account, they will take the account back from you. So that is how the rule goes. Good. Now the background noise will tell you that I wasn't at home. I was actually at a bus terminal about to travel when I had to reply this message. I am always the busy type. Honestly, I am always the busy type. I am a professional journalist, so I do my journalism in addition to Forex. And I record videos. I have people chatting me every day. I have to respond. I have those that I have to teach, mentorship that I am currently teaching over 40 people. So all these things keep me very busy. So I am the type that don't enjoy calls. If you call me, it's like you are wasting my time because I have other people I have to respond to and they are waiting. So I always love it when it comes to text messages or chats, because that one I can be replying more than 5-10 people at a go when it comes to chatting. So that's why I love to chat. I love to receive message and reply messages than to receive calls, because once you call me, you are limiting me to yourself alone, leaving the others out, which I often don't enjoy because of the busy schedules I have with other people. You understand? So let's continue. So I was on my way traveling when this conversation began. So I had to reply him. Now, what was his reply to me?
Okay, thank you very much, my brother. I think I'm going to give it a shot and see. I'm going to give it a shot and see. I'm fighting hard. I don't know how I can say it. I'm interested in making in this business of Forex. Even if I don't get much, but I believe something tells me that I can get something that can add on my income. Please, I beg of you to help me. Help me, give me a helping hand, Mr. Kofi. Thank you very much.
Okay, so this was my good friend Bernard's reply. Then I sent him a message. So the conversation continues. So I sent him a message and said, you need to register. After that, you let me know. So I sent him my prop firm referral link. Now, this is where the whole issue is. You need to register through my referral link because the company knows me and I also know them. So when you register through my referral link, it gives me some ratings with them. And aside that, there are also some benefits that I may get from the prop firm because I'm building my CV with them. You understand? So if you register through my referral link, it gives me these other benefits. And for that matter, I should also be able to wholeheartedly help you. Do you get it? So that is why it is very necessary that you register through my referral link. Now, what if you might have registered with other prop firms, which is not mine, or you register with even mine without my referral link? What that means is that you are going to be trading without they knowing that I am the one behind your success story. That is what it means. It means you are going to be trading, making the profit without they knowing that I am the one behind your success story, which may be very sad to my part. That is why I always recommend that you register through my referral link. But if you have registered already without my referral link, then maybe what you can do is that you can join my VIP group, because the signals that I will give you, they are not signals that will make you fail. It's easier to pass. Now, let me not eat the cake as early as it is. So let's continue. So you can do that by joining my VIP group, and then you still receive the signals to trade for your prop firm and make the profit. With that, I would have also gotten some subscription fee from you. You get it? Fine. So he said, okay, bro. And then I think the voice notes are many, so I'll just have to skip some. So when you are ready to register, make sure that you have gone through the packages and you know which one you want to use or you want to select. If you are interested in their $5,000 account, I think that one is $49. That is the. I think this information was said earlier, so no need. So he said, I'm interested in the 5,000 account, but the rule number 17 looks so tough. They don't allow us to use a third party or advisor. What can you say on that? And it is very important question he has asked. Now, the third party simply means using a robot or an EA. They don't allow. This prop firm don't allow you to use a robot or any third party advisor like an EA or the VPS or whatsoever systems you know of. They don't allow. So that is the question he's asking. And I don't use any of that. And he is also not going to use any of that. So there's no need to worry. So I said, that's no problem at all. Then he said, okay, it was concerning. Then let me go ahead. Then I said, fine, go ahead. Then he said, thanks. So on 13th June, he sent me a message. Good afternoon, my brother. I said, afternoon, fair. Then I said, hello, bro. I responded again, yes. Then he said, must I have a dollar account for me to register with the prop firm? I have tried several times using my account, which has local currency. It's always telling me that I have insufficient funds. And yet, I have more than $49 when you convert. Then I said, no. But if your account doesn't allow for international transfers, it won't work. Then he said, oh, what can I do then? I'm stranded. Bitcoins I'm not familiar with. Then I said, you have to use other payment methods. Then he asked like, then he said they have card payments, Bitcoin, etc. Then I asked him to check on the dashboard. I'm sure you will see all the payment methods. Then he said, okay, thanks. Then he said, thanks. Then we continued. He said, hello, Mr. Kofi. Then I said, I will continue to disturb you. Please don't get tired of me. Now I have fully registered, downloaded the MT4, but it can't open on my phone. Some help, please. Then I said, were you given the MT4 login details in your email? So were you given the MT4 login details in your email? If yes, check the server name and search for it on the MT4. Then use that server name to sign in. A lot of people don't look at this thing. It's it's an I don't know how to put it, but this is a very vital information here. Whenever you want to log into, even if it is a demo account or a live account, the broker will always give you a server name. The server name is very, very important. It is on that server that you can input your login details. And what it means is that they registered you on that server. So your account was created on that server. So if you don't have that server to log in with your MT4 details, it will never respond. So when you receive your login details, please make sure you check the server name that is attached. Some people will only look for the MT4 ID and password. They don't care to look at the server name. It is very, very important for you to look at the server name. So please, anytime you want to log into any Forex account, make sure you check the server name. All right? And make sure you select that server name before you input your login details. Is that okay? Good. Then he said, okay, thank you, my brother. I have finally made it. You see it? I have open account. I request your help in this journey. Then I said, okay. Then on 14th June, which is just recently, good morning. That's a good morning. Any signal, bro, for today? Because he is now ready for me. Then I said, not yet for now. There is a major news on USD coming, so I'm waiting for the news to be over. Then he said, okay. So on Monday, just this past Monday, today's date is today is Saturday, 22nd, right? I think I need to be sure with the date. It's either 21st or 22nd June. Today is Saturday, 22nd June, I think. I stand to be corrected though. So today's Saturday. So that was on Monday. See? So Monday, he sent me a message again, asking, good morning, my brother. Then I said, good morning. And then the conversation continued. I'm fine. Okay, I'm fine. Uganda is okay today. Then I said, brother, okay, he continued. He said, brother, I would like you to link me to your scalping group you talk about so that I pass this Pro FIRM evaluation. I'm worried about failing it. Thank you. Then I said, I will send you the instructions and signals from Wednesday. I said in the video that I scalp from Wednesday. Then he said, sure. Yeah, I remember. I will appreciate. Then I said, all right. Then good day, brother. I said, good day too. Then I sent him the Pro FIRM challenge group, the Telegram group that I created. I sent him the group to join. And then he joined the group. Now, let me take you to the group for you to see something. So let me take you straight to the group. This is the group over here. This is the Pro FIRM group that I created. Now, I created this group on 19th June. And then I said, I currently have only 4 people in the group. Now, the 4 people includes me. I am the 4th person. So it means 3 people plus me, making 4. So myself plus the 3 people making the 4. So it means 3 people have registered the Pro FIRM using my referral link. Now, I started sharing the signals with them. I gave them only 3 signals. 21st June, I gave one. It all hit TP. And then I gave another one again, also hit TP. And then I gave the 3rd one. So I gave only 3 signals. This one here, that is signal number 3. This one over here, that is signal number 2. And then also the first one at the top here, which is signal number 1. So only 3 signals I gave from 21st. Now what happened? Let's go look at what happened. Now yesterday, which was Friday, the week has ended. And this is the screenshots Bernard sent to me. From his 5,000 account, let's see what he was having. Now from the 5,000 account, he was already making closely to the target. If you look at the equity is around 5,415. Now with the 5,000 account, he needed to make only 8%. With a 5,000 account, he needed to make only 8%. And 8% is $400 to pass the first phase. And he was making 5,415, which means he had made more than the $400 already with just 3 signals. With just 3 signals. Now, let's continue. I want us to go back to his message and then you listen. This is what he said. He said, I can't thank you enough for your help. this is how I stand now. I'm running at 400 profits now, which is the target that he needed for the first phase. Phase 1 is 8%. So $5,000, 8% is 400. Then I said, nice one. And then I sent him a message. Now let's listen to the message I sent to him. If you have made 400, you should close because your phase 1 target is just $400. So if you are now at $400 profit and above, you should just close and then they will upgrade you to phase 2 immediately. So that was the message I sent to him. And the details is here. All you need to is a target of $400 profit at phase 1. So now that you have total profit above 400, just close the trade so that you can upgrade to phase 2. Then he sent me a message and said, I have closed. And this is the screenshot. He closed. And what is his total profit now? $420 on a 5,000 account. He has made more than the 8%. He needed just 8% target to pass the phase 1. Now, within a week, and it's even less than a week, I started sharing the signals with him on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So within 3 days, he has passed the first phase of the challenge. Now, then I said, good one. Now you can go to your dashboard after an hour and upgrade to phase 2. Then he said, okay. Now, this was my final message to him. Okay, Brother Bernard, how are you doing? We thank God for life. Now, let me give you a quick instruction with regards to what you need to do now that you have passed the phase 1. Now, the phase 2, I think the target is just 5%. Phase 1 is 8%, and then phase 2 is 5%. So 5% of $5,000 is around $250. So you just need a profit of $250 to pass the second phase. Okay, because phase 1, 8% is $400 for 5,000, and then phase 2, 5% is $250. So now that you have passed phase 1, which is $400 within just a week, it is possible you can pass the remaining, which is the phase 2, which is just $250 in the coming week. But all I want you to know is that you don't need to be greedy, because you feel like, okay, it's easier to make the profit, so let me go for more lot sizes, or let me increase the lot sizes and stuff. No, don't do that. Just go slow with what you have been doing. I will advise that the 0.10 lot size, you can go 2 at a time, no more 3, because you need just $250 to pass the challenge. So just go 0.10, 2 trades. And if you should get even 100 pips from the 2 trades, that is already $200, and you'll be left with just $50 to complete. You understand? So even with 2 signals, you should pass the second phase. Just 2 signals can give you the pass for the second phase. So don't increase your lot sizes, and don't let greed or overconfidence take over you because of what you have seen so far. So all I want you to know is that just prepare well for the second phase, which is the coming week, and then take things slow, and let's pass that one too, just as we passed the phase 1 this week. Is that okay? I'll be available if you have anything, questions or whatsoever. Let me know. Thank you. Okay, so this is my message to Bernard. He hasn't responded. It's actually this morning I sent him this message. So you see, now the bigger challenge, or the bigger part of the whole challenge is gone. We have passed that one. Now we just left with the smaller challenge, which is phase 2, and it's just $250 as a target to pass, and it will be easier because phase 1 was $400 target, phase 2 is $250, and it's possible within 2 weeks he is passing both phase 1 and phase 2 of his Prop Firm account challenge. phase 1 within 1 week. Phase 2, we are hoping next week he will pass that one too. So it means in a month or less than a month, he is passing both phase 1 and phase 2. This is what I am talking about. Now, I wanted to show you another person. Okay? I want to show you another person. Now, if you are in this group, it will help you faster because I share the signals I share over here are signals I share in my VIP. So if I take you to my VIP group, now let me take you to my VIP group for you to see something. This is my VIP group. And currently in my VIP group, I have almost how many people? I have 58 people in the VIP group. 58 members, including myself. So we are 58. So I am one, the remaining 57, making up 58. Good. Now, look at the signals that I shared with them in the Pro Firm. Is the same signals I shared over here for the week. If you look at it, it's the same signals that I shared. You can see the same signals for the week. Same signals. 3 signals. Now, this VIP group, if you are in it, look at the benefit you will be making. These are profits. You can see the TP is just hitting like that. You can see if it is a loss, I will update that it is a loss. If it's a win, you see the wins, I will update. You will see. If it's a loss, I'll do that. If it's a win, you will see it. If it's a win, you will see it. Just as you are seeing here. You see the wins. 100, 80, 50, the rest. You are seeing it. So that is what we do. That's what we do. You see the profits in the VIP. So this one is a loss. It's about 7 pips loss. So I updated it. It's just 7 pips loss. When the wins are coming, they come. This is also 7 pips loss. I update it. But when the wins are coming, 50, 100, it comes. If it comes, you see it. The wins are coming. The wins are coming. So I do all this in the VIP group for a whole 1 year for just $100. So my target is that these people who have joined the Prop Firm, I'm helping them to pass the Prop Firm challenge. And then they get a live account. I help them to trade on the live account. And then when they make their first payout, listen carefully, when they make their first payout or when they receive their first profit share, then they can now pay to join the VIP group. Because the VIP group, by then, they have started receiving their profits. So if you have received your profits for a month, then you can pay just $100 to be part of the VIP group for the whole year. You get the scenario. So for now, I am trying to help them to pass the challenge. And once they pass the challenge and they get a live account, I'll still help them to trade the live account to make their first payout. When they receive their first payout, then they can pay for the VIP group and now join the VIP group. How good is this? Or how good is this not? I think it's a way of helping. I wanted to show you the testimony from the second person, which is this guy. But it looks like this video has already been very long. But this is also another guy who is also in the group. So you can see, maybe just his first message. Good evening, sir. That was May 27th. I stumbled upon your video on YouTube and I feel motivated to join your team and trade your signals. I have been following for 1 month now behind the scene and I'm convinced I can get the help I need in time. I have lost some Prop Firm accounts and I need help. Listen to him. He has already lost some Prop Firm accounts and then he needs my help. Did you see it? And then he continued here and said, listen, I am first concerned with Prop Firm trading. I watched your 17-minute video where you talked about Prop Firm and you showed your account. I have a question, boss. So this was this guy who was also interested in the Prop Firm thing. So I sent him, if you go through, you see, I sent him my referral link to register. And he did, and then I added him to the group. It's just unfortunate that, you see, he even sent me when he finished registering. This was phase 1. And then I helped him. We went through it slowly, gradually. And you see it. I just that unfortunately I cannot read all his messages. You see, if you watch or listen to him from here, he made it. He said, okay, sir, I'm out of the trade. Thanks. Okay. Target was TP1. How much did you make? He made $98 in total. So he will send me the total he made. And then, oh my goodness, this guy, it's just unfortunate I may not be able to read his messages, but this guy is something else. I just love him for how he disturbs me. He disturbs me. He can worry for God. This guy can worry for God. So he kept on sending me his results updates, and we kept on talking. He kept on sending me all that. You see it. So, look, I don't know. This is what I have to show to you or to tell you. This is how I am maybe generous, if I'll put it, in terms of helping you to succeed in this forex market. So the Pro FIRM thing is there, and you have seen it for yourself. The decision is yours to take. It is yours to take. It is a help that I can offer to you in a way that will not cost you much. You understand? So thank you for having the listening ear and taking your time to watch these testimonies from other people. You can be part of them. You can. It's all about taking the bold decision. So go to my referral link, or you can send me a message on Telegram. Telegram, or if you want to send me a message, it's just Kofi dollar. The Kofi dollar is one word. Don't separate it. It's one word. Kofi dollar. It's one word. The Kofi and the dollar is joined together. So just search for Kofi dollar on Telegram, and then you send me a message. Is that okay? And then let's begin to talk. All right, and see how we can be of help to each other. All right. Thank you for taking your time to watch. I'm very grateful. I'll see you with some tutorial videos that I have just done. I'm yet to upload them, so you'll be receiving them soon. All right. Until then, be good.